So I'm failing miserably. So first I'm gonna show you on a random board what I'm trying to achieve, which is quite easy. I just heat up the pad, and I can melt the solder, remove it, and then I got my bubble. Yet it's not staying shiny, nice and shiny. It's getting dull when it's cooling down. I don't know if that's a problem, indicating a cold joint. So now with the actual board that I need to solder, my iron is at 450 degrees Celsius, and I'm going to apply some flux to help with the bonding. It's not flowing. So I'm gonna tin the tip of the iron first to help with the conduction, the heat conduction. I'm heating the pads, maybe too much. But you see, the solder is not melting. It's barely melting on the tip, and then it's cooling down instantly. So I'm making a real mess. And I've tried with different tips for the iron. I've tried with different temperature from 350 to 450. I try with and without flux, and I think it's because this board is sucking up the heat and the iron is not catching up. It's not powerful enough to catch up to maintain the temperature, but I'm not sure about that really. You can see here how messy it is, and I need to do that at the middle, at the center, for the 4 pads together, as well as those negatives and negatives here. I meant those 4 together, those 2 together, those 2, where there is a big mess, and this one that I just tried in front of you. And during my different attempts I left the iron on the board for, I guess, too much time, and I'm worried that I've damaged it already.